My name is Taylor and I'm currently studying engineering and commerce at Monash University, and I've chosen to specialise in chemical engineering. I first heard about the Talaria work experience program through LinkedIn.
I'm Larissa. I'm a third year Bachelor of Health Science and Business student at Swinburne University.
I had the opportunity to do an investment case as part of my time here, which was really cool. And it was really nice to do some of my own research and to be a little bit independent, but I had great support from the team and really good mentoring throughout. So I got to see the different, using Bloomberg and all the places I could get all that financial data and how we actually use that to come up with a valuation and assess a company.
It did require a fair bit of in-depth analysis, a lot of gathering data from company statements, looking at annual and quarterly results, and then summing them up to find any trends, and then assessing those trends to see if we can predict some sort of scenario in the future, and then deciding whether the pros outweigh the cons. Luckily, I was always able to access some help. I regularly had people, checking in with me and making sure that I was doing all right. And I did feel comfortable to ask questions and find out more about why we were doing the things that we're doing and how they all added together to make a piece of the puzzle.
I learned a lot about bottom-up analysis, so starting with the company's financials and not worrying so much about the macro environment, and then zooming out. So ESG plays a really big role in what we sort of looked at when we were doing the investment case. And in my case, it was the deciding factor.
So 1 week of the internship I spent in the sales and distribution team, and that was primarily with the sales director, Joel, and he was really great at mentoring me through some of the meetings and client dealings that he has to do. So I helped with preparing some materials for those, such as conference lists.
I did a lot of comparative analysis comparing Talaria's fund to the funds that those clients were using. And then in the marketing side, I had the opportunity to work on the website and quarterly reports, presentations for upcoming conferences, and I also got to sit in the meetings, so see what everyone else was doing and hear about how they all interacted. I really enjoyed the investment side and I really enjoyed the marketing and the sales, but the way that the whole team worked collaboratively to be Talaria, and the way that people got along and collaborated and just, if they needed something, shouted over a desk and said, hey, can you help me with this? That sort of a culture is something that will stay with me for a long time.
The main thing that I took away from this internship is the sort of place that I want to work for, and also the way that a business operates. Being able to rotate between those different roles and the different teams, meet different people whose roles overlap as well, and seeing how that comes together to fruition to make what Talaria does. I think that's definitely something that I'll take away, and all the different skills that I've learned, bringing them together to what I want to do in the future.